Pick some of this up. It says duct tape. Any type of duct tape will work, but I think this will be good. At least up to 5 degrees C or 41 degrees Fahrenheit. And also pick up some cable ties, just 2 packs of 100, because I think the plan calls for 150, but might as well be safe and get extras, because you never know if you're going to need extra cable ties. So for a whopping total of $31 Canadian, that's how much these materials cost. So continue to add that to the tally of how much this shelter is going to make. I mean, make. Yeah, we head home and start, at least try to get the roof built, because I don't know if I'll have enough daylight for this to actually, for me to actually finish, but I think I'm going to at least get a good chunk of it done today and then finish the rest of it tomorrow. Good soup. Just a little bit of blade. Now some of you may be wondering, how's this gonna hold up? Hawkins makes it look like it's pretty good. That guy's a wizard, so I'm gonna just follow his instructions. It says crease with a blunt object. This pizza cutter barely cuts pizza, so I think it will be good for plastic. Oh, my fingers are hurting so bad. Well, it's getting dark. I finished the top and the bottom. Just gotta do the side walls tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get it done in 2 days. If not, oh well, I'm not in a rush. Oh. It actually can fit 2 people. Like this. Not bad, not bad. Tomorrow. Hasn't started raining yet, but I got my 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I'm gonna add just a door. I don't know if I'm gonna put a window like they do, but I'm definitely gonna put a vent at the top for air circulation, and then I gotta figure out some way to cover up the vents if I don't want the vents to be open. That looks marginally better. is a door. And behind that other door is another door. You know what's behind that door? That's right, G. Oh. He's tricky like that, Jesus. That's the thunder. That's my cue to go inside. So it's looking like a 3-day thing. It did start drizzling a little bit. There's more lightning than anything else, but I didn't really want to risk it just because I don't like working in the rain. I don't think anybody does. But the plans are pretty good. Easy to follow. If you have a steady hand, it's a lot quicker. And again, if you guys want to do this build yourself, I do highly recommend going to Paul Alkin's website. Buy his design to support him because he is the creator of this. So, highly recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay, so today is hopefully going to be the last day of building this shelter. I'm just gonna get, oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm just gonna get everything set up and hopefully we can just put everything together. I didn't really do anything to the door, but we can just put that together as well. Let's get started, get it over with, and finally be done with this build so that I can actually, you know, stay in it. So that'd be kind of cool to stay in it over the weekend. It's supposed to be nice this weekend, so hopefully I can get it done. Maybe I can even add the windows and the vents as well, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how far I get there. We got some heavy rain. It looks like rain clouds in the distance over there. Not sure if you guys can see that. I really want to finish this before the weekend so that I can try it out in the weekend. I have to build this in the grass, but the grass is kind of wet. So, well, this kid's out and playing, so gotta make this quick. I can't catch a break, man. I really hope those clouds don't come in. I'm just gonna put together the walls. The back wall doesn't really need anything, so I'm just gonna put it aside for now. But I gotta join these two together with zip ties and duct tape. Sun's coming out. Let's go. That's not the sun. That's the sun. Hopefully, yeah, he's a sun. That's the sun. Anyway, continuing. Just getting sidetracked. So this goes like this. Like this, y'all. Like this. Now stop. I had to bust out the drill because zip ties aren't going to the pokies, so gotta drill them out. Now I know why there was a drill in his diagram. I just gotta stitch the rest of this. Moment of truth. Let's put this thing together. We got the door. I'm not cutting any of the zip ties just yet, just because this is gonna be satisfying to cut all of them at the same time. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, now to do the hard part is the dome part. Y'all ready to see him struggle? I gotta actually properly put this together with zip ties. I want to go inside. It's only being held by like a few pieces of duct tape, so I gotta be really careful. Dad, what do you think? It's good? Yeah. Let's go inside. Just gotta take my shoes off. Let's see. Oh. That's okay. Just for a little bit. Yes! We did it! After 3 days. Kind of echoey in here, but I like it. It's nice. Now I just gotta make sure that it's taped up and zip tied. There's bugs in here already. Other than that, it looks good. Looks good. Very good. Let's see if I can close the door. That's not bad. A little bit more fitment and it'll close. Not bad at all. Hey, let's go, baby. That concludes the series. The next time you see this, it'll be all nicely taped up and I'll have stuff in there so I can, you know, stay in it for a night and we'll test it out for a night. Get another walk around of this. Not bad. Again, this is a Paul Elkins design, so go check him out. This was not my idea. You like it, Dad? It's good? Nice. Anyway, so I'm gonna end this video. I'll see you next time for when I camp in it. Okay, bye-bye!